Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIY is on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in this first DIY, you see I have this pretty storage container or basket, which is what I'm going to call it, that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I am adding some of that jute twine that I purchased from Walmart to the edges of the handles. I will be burning the frays off the jute twine simply because I just do not like the look. And so burning it gave it a darker appearance, which I like. I am a person that likes to craft in the rustic farmhouse, rustic decor, even a little bit of boho style. So if that's your thing, then you're at the right channel. And so my initial idea was to use these letters that I purchased from Dollar General to spell out the word spring, but they were too large. And so I've decided to use some of the smaller letters that I purchased from Walmart. And you will see that either in a clip, and if not in the clip, you will see it in the reveal on the actual basket. There it is. You can see it. I painted it and dry brushed over it, and now I am outlining the basket in some of this jute rope that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I will be burning the frays on it as well. And now I'm taking some of these beautiful florals. I can't remember if I purchased them from Walmart, Dollar Tree. I know it wasn't Dollar Tree, but Walmart or Michael's. I purchased them from somewhere. I can't remember where. And I'm just stuffing them on inside this basket. And I think this turned out very cute. It's not a basket filled with a lot of colors, but it is cute. And you will really have to see it in person. My daughter is trying to take it from me. She wants to style it in her bedroom. So I probably will let her take this one. But anyway, I'm making some jute twine bows to add to the edges of this. And of course, with any twine, I always burn the frays off of it. So this is very pretty. I can't wait for you guys to see this in the upcoming clip, or in the reveal, I should say. And now, guys, I am very ecstatic about this project. I was going to do a wall hanging piece, but then an idea hit me. So guys, you remember back in the days during the Soul Train, when it would come on Saturdays around 1 o'clock in North Carolina, and how everybody be dancing, and then they would have the Scramble Board. Well, guys, that's what I am creating. And so I am creating a Scrabble board, something that you would see on Soul Train. And of course, I'm doing it my way. And I am just outlining the piece of pan with the jute twine, burning the frays on it. And then I will be creating a floral piece, like a gosh, I can't even think. Adding a floral piece on the bottom of it, as you can see here in this clip. And these florals came from, I want to say, the Dollar Tree. And it's just some greenery picks. And then I will use some of those flowers that I purchased from Temu, those little dried florals. And I'm putting them on the I think this was Temu. It may have been Dollar Tree. I'm not sure, guys, now that I think about it. But right here, I've painted the inside of the tray in some black and white, give it like a grayish look to it. And then I am adding some magnets to the words or the letters so that it will stick to the board. And I'm not going to tell you what the word spelled. It is two different words. However, you will be able to slow this down and see if you can make out what the word or words are. This was so fun, guys. And as you can see, I am just taking the letters, and now that I have the magnet on the back of them, I am painting them using some of that acrylic paint in the color white. Guys, while you watch me paint these letters, I want to welcome everybody back to my channel. I want to welcome all of my new subscribers, my returning subscribers. Guys, I pray that you all are having a blessed week or had a blessed week. We are at Friday tomorrow. I have really been under the weather this week, dealing with my lungs. And when I say that, it's just that I have inflamed lungs because of this time of year. When my allergies go haywire, it just makes things a little harder for me. But nevertheless, I'll feel better really soon. But I do want to let you know that I may have to postpone the live on Saturday. I do take my health and my time serious. I don't believe in overdoing it. I believe when your body say you need to rest, you need to listen to your body. And so I may be postponing the live that was scheduled for this Saturday, the Junk Journal live, to another date. However, because it's rough trying to do the voiceover, and I know it will be harder for me to try to be on a live for a long extended period of time. And again, I need to rest. That's why, it's taken me this long to get this video up this week. And I've had this video for over 3 weeks now. I just got to a point and had time tonight and feel up to doing somewhat of a voiceover. But nevertheless, I think this is going to be cute. I can't wait for you guys to see the final outcome. And as I was just chit-chatting with my baby boy, guys, I can't believe he's going to be 18 in November, and I will not have any more babies. I mean, they'll always be my babies, all 7 of my kids. My daughter had a birthday today. I'll let you see her in a clip coming up. She's beautiful. She is my bonus daughter, and we love her. I love her. She's been in my life since she was 2 years old, and she's my daughter. I love her. Anyway, happy birthday, baby girl. She's 38 today. So my youngest is 18 this year, and my oldest will be 41. Amazing, right? I'm telling you my age, guys. Woo! Jesus. Anyway, I just want to let you know that I am adding a jute twine bow to the back of this so that I can hang it up. And I am making sure that it is sticking to the back really well. Not that this piece is heavy in any way, shape, or form. And this is going to be fun. And here's the reveal, guys. Did this not turn out cute? It's cute. Very simple. However, it has a little bit of my style to it. And then here is the second DIY, the Soul Train Scrabble Board. Can you guys make out what it is? I bet you can't. So you know you're going to have to slow this down or stop this and get all those letters and try to figure it out. Or maybe I'll show you in this clip coming up. Guys, again, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And guys, if you have yet to visit my community tab, please make sure you take a look at that as well. I posted a lot of great content creators or DIYers or lifestyle bloggers, or you know, my honey, Uncle T, you know, his podcast channel. Take a look at it, subscribe to everyone's channel, and just show everyone love. It's enough support going around in these YouTube streets that you don't have to keep it all to yourself. Guys, until the next video, have a blessed night. Bye.